I've been blessed to have traveled. I've been to 5 continents, 23 countries, and all 50 states in the United States. And grew up with the family. We had a camper, and every summer we'd rent some there. That was how I got through a lot of the states that way. But it's experiencing and seeing things outside my bubble, my comfort zone. And I've even lived all over the United States. I've lived in Ohio, Illinois, Kentucky, upstate New York, Louisiana for school, and now in Oregon and California for many years. And it's just a chance to see people are different everywhere. I mean, they're basic human beings, but how they live life and the things that they value and the experiences. I think what I love the most is being able to experience and see kind of what God intended. God is love, what that love is about, just love of humanity and other people, and engaging, connecting, talking, sharing, and experiencing the world through different eyes. I am Dr. Kevin Jones. I am a professor in the Department of Communication Studies, and I also serve as the chair of the department and the director of internships for communication students. It's very important to me that the students feel that they were treated fairly. I try really hard in my classes to make my expectations very clear. So I had a student once describe it. She goes, well, Kevin, the A for you, it's there to get. You have to work for it to get it, but you make it very clear the work we have to do to get it. And I was like, that in a nutshell is how I would like to see the class approach. And that I was not the A student. I was not, a bookworm kind of a person. I got C's and D's. I think my high school GPA was like 2.1, barely got out. My college GPA, like a 2.5 or something. So how did I end up in teaching? Well, that's a long, complicated story, but God opened and provided a lot of doors that led me to learn how to learn when I was older, which I think helps me in the classroom to where when I see people struggling, I get it. I understand what it means to not understand. Why do I have to know this or something? I'm in my 17th year here at Fox, my 42nd year overall teaching at the college level, so I've experienced and seen a great deal. But it's been a blessing, just an incredible blessing. When I was hired, I had gone through a situation where I became a single dad, and I remember being told in the interview that Fox would be a good place to come and heal. And it has been wonderful for that. The community, the engagement, I enjoy the students so much. I have established so many lifelong friendships with different students, and I try really hard every year to have coffee or lunch with every one of our majors. In one sense, to be known, to know them in that way, but also to invest in them. And that's part of the culture of George Fox, is just making those connections.